Market has been open almost for 30 minutes. Here is Facebook, and this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to retrace back right below this low here, and then price should come up to take out this high. So this is what I'm looking for price to do. And as we break this low, that's where I'm gonna place my entry and then take it from there. I'll say my first area of entry will be here. But this is where I'm just gonna start a light position. So something like this will be the light position. And if price comes back down here, then I'll place the majority of the position. So 2 setups. And if price pulls back with momentum. All right, so first area of entry right here, just gonna place two calls, nothing crazy. So we'll see if this is gonna deliver or if price needs to come down here to deliver. But nonetheless, my bias is bullish. And then I'll set target right here. And we can see here, here's our consolidation. Here's our displacement. So now we just gotta wait and see what price is gonna do. So will this first position play out, or will the second one need to happen? I hope that the first one doesn't play out, because I'd rather get a better position, a lower fill. Well, you can see here, even if this one plays out, it's a very good risk to reward ratio. It's a very good trade, just playing on the continuation. So the idea behind taking a trade like this is, let's say this first position doesn't play out, and let's say the stop loss hits, and let's say the loss I take on this is what? I only have 2 calls, so I got like $428. Let's say I lose like $100. Say $100 loss here. If that was to happen and this position plays out, this will this whole move here is going to drastically overweigh this small loss. So this is what I mean by you need to find a way to trade to where if you take 10 trades and let's say you lose 6 in a row, but you win the next 4, the 4 wins that you get are going to outweigh the 6 losses that you took. That is the way you want to trade. And people with that type of trading capability, they can have a 70% losing rate, but the 30% win rate is going to outweigh because those winners are going to be huge. So it's all just a matter of being at the right place at the right time and identifying when that should be. And I'll keep you guys updated on every single step that I take throughout this process. So it looks like, as I said before, the first position is not going to play out. So I am down $21 on this first position. So I put 400 in, down 20 bucks. I'm down $15 now. Haven't sold the position. And honestly, since the amount is very, very small, I probably will just keep. But we'll see what happens. Now I'm up 1%, so if this is to play out, I'm assuming now, just based on how much this drawdown was, probably will only make about like 15% max on this trade. Yeah, I'm up 5%. 23 bucks, nothing crazy. This is a light position here. So let's switch this to 25. So right now, my position, I'm up 9%. Looking pretty good. And we can see here, price is playing out off the first position. Put 25 hold because did not sell my position here at all. All right, so now price just took out this price target here, so we can get rid of this since we're not looking for that to happen anymore. So now on my position, and let's get rid of this as well. We can see this is running. Let's get rid of this. Up 20%. Now let's go to a 15. Probably would want to see price go short somewhere about here. Yeah, so just about at where price hit, right at that target. Yeah, so this area here, I definitely would start wanting to see some shorts play out. but we'll see if price mitigates this whole zone or not. Which I think we might. Set next target up here. Because all of this is just an imbalance. We got 3 strong bullish candles. Wouldn't be surprised if we see some sort of pullback. We can see here prices making its way up to this next target. Up 21% right now in this position. So this was a very clean trade. So here's the pullback I was talking about. See if we get a pullback to about like here. See if that can be a possibility. You can see here, testing the highs. Either we come take out this target or we pull back here. Up 22%. Nothing crazy. This isn't a crazy position. Not every day is gonna be, crazy winners. So right here, you see the reality of it. It's a small position, made 25% or some change. Nothing ridiculous. It's not a 100% move. You're not gonna catch 100% moves every single day. So I'm gonna hold this position out because I want price to come here. Which will pretty much just come and take out these highs. This is just liquidity. This is gonna be taken out eventually. Hopefully it's taken out sooner than later. So hopefully it can happen within the next couple candles. It looks like it actually will. So risk, I mean, honestly, I probably wasn't gonna sell anyways if this came down to the second entry, only because the risk was so small. But this would be a $2.14 move. We can see here price is approaching it. I'm up 25% still. So this is not a market open play at all. So let's see if we can come and tap this. And there we go. Price target hit. So yeah, so there's a whole trade right there. Total still only made 25%. This was a unreasonably long trade, but it still did very good. You saw my bias. You saw how I built it from scratch on the direction of where I wanted price to go. But we can see here that is exactly what happened. You saw me adjust my stop loss per se, or really just, you know, kind of talk through why I didn't want to sell here. It just didn't make sense. And then here, PT1 hit, PT2 hit, and that's that. So that's the whole trade right there. This was a very long video. Hopefully it was informative. Hopefully you learned something from it. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and check out the description because there's a link that you should check out. Bye.